So, this is my wash brush. I got it from Jerry's. It's very inexpensive. It's a Japanese wash brush, or at least that's what it's called. I don't know if it really came from Japan. Probably came from China, right?
Probably.
By plants.
So if you didn't sketch it first, just go to the wet part.
You have to sketch it first.
Okay. I still feel like I'm always running behind schedule.
That's okay.
Don't
I
don't
didn't
worry. I
sketch yet
feel the
either.
same way,
Just
Christy.
like
Yeah,
always
just
rushing.
go to your
I always feel
own
that way,
rhythm,
Christy.
okay?
Me too.
I just mixed the paints. I left the violet in.
I have
I have-
violet.
Am I
Yeah, I
missing a
have
spot?
violet.
I know, that's what's important, right?
I have violet if you need it.
Oh.
Yeah, me too.
And
I
then,
think she said we can wait till next
Then-
week, but
to mix your
Thank you.
paints,
if I get ahead, I will.
this is
Oh,
the
yeah, I
number
think she did say that.
3 squirrel brush.
She'll
And-
send it to
Okay,
everybody.
so you put the water in your palette.
No, what, I'm gonna send it to
Why
Ann, and she'll
am I
send it to
using this
everybody.
brush?
Yeah.
Because it holds a lot of paint.
Oh.
Okay. So this is the Windsor yellow that I'm putting in.
Wow.
Really does hold a lot of paint.
Yeah, I couldn't find the 3 in the squirrel brush.
I only have a 2.
Can you get, I couldn't find a 1
That's
or
okay.
3, I think she asked for.
Okay.
Two's good.
So, looking at the
Couldn't find the
photograph,
squirrel brush, only synthetic, I didn't know if I should get
I'm
it.
gonna apply the paint. And are you really want the yellow to show up. This is your first layer, and like you don't want to have to go back in and try and reclaim the yellow. So it's really nice to have it in there,
So it's going over the entire flower?
pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
And I wanted to. I'm gonna pick up the board and let the color move.
Yeah.
But I also want to add some of the pink too. And I'm going to put some over here and over here and over here. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the pink, which I have over here. And I'm making up an orangey mix. Okay. So
Makes
you
sense.
see
So
it's
you
like
see-
orangey here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna add some of the orange over here,
Oh, nice.
and just like some of the places where,
So is this
It's a
the
little-
peach that we came up with?
yeah,
Okay.
okay, and then I'm not being real careful because this is just anything can happen, and then you can like pick up your board and let things move around. Okay, and then while it's still wet, if you, like, let's say you didn't have enough yellow down, you can still add some more. Okay, let's say I want, sometimes this yellow dries really light.
Mm-hmm.
It does.
Yeah, so I can just go in. You can just add some more. Okay, and then while we're waiting for the flower to dry, now we can put in some of the green. Okay, so let's see. We don't want the green to be really dark at this point. Just a little fresh green. So I'm going to mix it in with the yellow.
Which green, is that spring green?
No, this is the sap green.
Or the sap green, okay,
And she's mixing it with yellow
yeah.
to make it lighter.
This is the
Just bring
spring.
Just bring it
This is the
over.
sap.
That's
Right, 'cause I
Okay.
have the sap, I
And
don't have the spring.
I'm gonna plop it in.
But I'll put the yellow in with it.
Mm.
Oh, shoot.
What happened?
It went ahead and clicked on. My finger was,
Oh,
and that's, it's not gonna be a good picture. I had my,
You should
Get it.
demonstrate on TV, yeah. You should be one of those painters that demonstrates on the.
yeah.
Bob Ross.
Yeah,
Well,
exactly.
there's a whole bunch of them
Yeah,
now
there
on Create.
My daughter loved Bob
Oh,
Ross.
yeah.
She was in-
Bob
I like,
When
They have the
Jessica was in
reruns
high
on.
school.
Yes,
And-
all
and her
all
girlfriends.
times
there's
of
no
night.
mistakes, there's
Would
happy
you-
accidents.
isn't that the truth?
But
He still is on.
Anne paints
Yeah,
faster than,
late at
she
night.
paints the way you're supposed to paint
Oh,
watercolor
okay.
fast.
What?
They have painters who do things.
I say you paint the way you're supposed to paint watercolor fast.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's all I'm gonna do right now. And you
Okay.
guys can have fun.
Okay, well.
Okay, I'm just gonna clean